All right, so you've launched your blog. Maybe you've done a few blog posts. You may notice that your blog kind of looks like every other blog out there. Probably the most common question people ask me is, how do I customize my blog? Now, if you're using WordPress.com, if you're using their hosted solution where they host it for you, you may not be the most savvy to the point where you can actually do the HTML and the CSS and all those kind of complex acronyms that these geeks love to throw around. Let's say you just want to keep it simple and you just want to update the header of your blog. Well, that's really easy to do. First, let's take a look at what we're dealing with. Now, when we first launch a blog, we actually get what they call the Kubrick theme. Now, this is up top, it's just a very boring kind of blue top piece. And actually, all that blue piece is an image. Let's learn how we can actually modify that image. Going back into our dashboard, we've logged in. We go down to the left, click on Appearance. And then underneath Appearance, we're going to have an option for Header. Let's click on that. And here we see what we're dealing with. Now, they show us the header image right here. They also tell us exactly how large this is. So when you're thinking about doing this image, you want to make sure that you have the right dimensions. If the dimensions are wrong, you're going to get some weird tiling, or it's going to overlap. It's going to hide some of the image itself. Now what they do is they share the exact size of this image. If we look at the page here, we'll notice they tell us it is 740 by 192. So when you're creating your header image, you want to make sure it's exactly that size. I've gone ahead and created one already. Let's take a look. You just need to click on Browse, locate it on your computer here. This is my image. Click on Open or Select, and then you want to upload the image. There we go. And last step, we want to come down here. We want to save any changes that we've made. Now let's take a look at the blog and see. This is what we had before. Now let's refresh it and take a look. There you go. Now we actually have the image, and I actually have some text here as well. So what I've done is I actually don't want this text. So let me show you how to get rid of that text so you don't have that overlap as well. Come in here under Settings, and where you see Site Title, that's actually the text that you're seeing on that as well. So you can do one of two things. You can either write the title in the image itself, or you can use the image more as a background, and you use this field here to indicate what the title of your blog is. Now, if you don't want that text title up there, let's take a look really quick. It's very simple. You can just clear that out. Hit Save Changes. Let's take a look and see if we fix that issue. And there you go. Beautiful. If you want to learn more about WordPress, be sure to take a look at these other videos right here. Thank you.